Whenever we're traveling, she's licking, but whenever we're traveling, we like to bring out the drones. And that means a lot of video, and it means high def video, large video files. So my system is to buy some SD cards. I'll put an SD card, a new SD card into the drone. We fly it around. We take that SD card out. I back it up onto the Samsung EVO 870 2 terabyte drive, and then I take the SD card and I put it back into our organizer here as an archive. So then it becomes like a standalone archive. This is the one that I'll use for editing and for using with the computer, because it's fast and it's a duplicate. We've always got our original, and now we have our duplicates on a very fast EVO drive. Hope this helps. She's still licking.